This may be the best location for a move-in condition condo in downtown Exeter, New Hampshire. Think spring on the Exeter River. Enjoy abundant wildlife from your kitchen window or three-season sunroom, or unwind by the fire pit overlooking the expansive lawn and gardens. This freshly renovated one-bedroom, one-bath home features granite countertops, in-unit laundry, a new electric fireplace, 2 privately owned mini splits, and private attic storage, plus additional basement space for bicycles. 2 designated off-street parking spaces included. Enjoy plenty of outdoor space for grilling and entertaining. Just steps to shopping, restaurants, parks, trails, Phillips Exeter Academy, and even front row views of the Exeter Holiday Parade. Come experience the rare combination of riverfront living and in-town convenience. Schedule your showing today.